Sandy Ingram here, the publisher of this channel, Budget Retirement Planning. In this video, I'm going to share the best, the fastest, and the most effective way to find clients when you become a digital nomad. A digital nomad goes hand in hand with being an expat. Ready? Let's get started. Let's keep this simple. My recommendation is to take Google's free Digital Garage course. It has over 100 videos, but do it over time and learn while building your confidence. When you have selected the type of digital service you would like to offer online, then do this. Give your service away for free. Yes, you heard me. Write a social media post and say, I am offering a free to the first 10 people who respond. Provide the service for free, provide the documentation of your service, and thank them. Now you have their contact information, their business type, and you can contact them in the future with coupons for your services. The most important thing is they understand and know your capabilities. For example, let's say after you complete the Google course and you take other courses to support your learning process, you decide that you want to create backlinks for clients to help improve their blog ranking. This is a lot of work for just one client, much less 10 clients. But let's say you use the backlink platform. You can find a link in the description. And you can handle a dozen clients a month with ease. Say you charge each client $40 to $60 a month starting out. With 12 clients, that is $480 to $720 a month on the low side. Once you become known, you can charge more. This is the easiest and the best way to find reliable clients.